I'll be turning this small piece of mystery wood today. I don't know what type of wood it is, but I do know some of the pieces that I've made out of wood similar comes out really nice. But I'll be using the bandsaw to cut the edges off. My objective is to make a bowl. We'll see what happens. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I started to notice that there was places in the wood that the wood was really punky. Not much I can do with that. I want to keep the bullet to a certain size, so I went ahead and left it. Created this plug or this extension on the end for stability reasons only. Makes it a little bit easier to turn. I didn't want it flying off the chuck, so I found that this works out fairly well, but not always. Here's the end result for the wood turn today. I'm happy with the shape. Doesn't really look like a bowl, looks more like something for a potted plant. But anyhow, this was the outcome. I'm happy with it. The wood has a lot of character. It's still punky, but other than that, it looks fine. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, thanks for the support, and as always, thanks for watching.